Mahindra XUV 700 will soon be entering production and it is expected to launch in August to September. The new SUV will be competing against the Tata Safari MG Hector Plus and the recently launched Hyundai Alcazar. The XUV 700 is expected to start from around 16 lakh ex showroom and go all the way up to rupees 21 lakh. While there have been quite a lot of spy shots, here we have some new shots of the interior cabin. The new pictures do reveal a few more details about the XUV 700. The cabin comes with a dual-tone black and beige theme. It gets a flat-bottom steering wheel that is wrapped in leather and the third spoke gets piano black treatment. There are buttons on the steering wheel. The buttons placed on the left side should control the left screen, while the button towards the right side should control the instrument cluster and cruise control. The XUV 700 will come with two screens mounted side by side to look like a single unit. Some of the Mercedes-Benz models still use this type of design. The central screen will be on infotainment system while the right one will be a digital instrument cluster. Both the screens will be high definition units. The infotainment system with Play and connected car technology. Mahindra is also expected to offer some kind of premium sound system because there are roof mounted speakers also. The instrument cluster is also digital and should offer customizability. Other things that we can see in the spy shot is the dual zone climate control, wireless charger, electronic parking brake and slim AC vents with a silver sound. The SUV would also come with rear AC vents, central armrest for the rear and front occupants, keyless entry and push button to stop or start. The third row occupants will also get their own blower controls and vents. The seats come with white stitching and should offer good support. Mahindra has also filed a trademark for Sky Roof, which they also recently teased. The XUV 700 will come with segment largest panoramic sunroof. This should let in a lot of light to the cabin and make it feel brighter and airier. The Sky Roof itself measures 1360 mm in length and 870 mm in width. The XUV 700 will come with LED projector headlamps with LED daytime running lamps, LED tail lamps, projector fog lamps, diamond cut alloy wheels and flush sitting tool handles, which are a first in segment. According to the rumors, the XUV 700 is also expected to come with a radar sensor which should make the SUV capable of having ADAS or Advanced Driver Aids systems. If we talk about the engine, then the XUV 700 will come with 2.0 liter petrol and 2.2 liter diesel engine. Both the engines will be the most powerful in the segments and are expected to set new benchmarks in terms of refinements and drivability. Mahindra will also offer a 6-speed manual gearbox as well as 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox with both the engines. XUV 500 to be discontinued. The current XUV 500 will be discontinued by Mahindra. They might bring it back as a 5-seater SUV in the future. The manufacturer is also working on a new generation of XUV 500 which will be a new mid-size SUV.